Boom shakalaka, insane Bitcoin news today. Why even the whales are responding. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including some huge news for Bitcoin and why even whales think this could be enormous. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed back up to neutral from fear the past couple days. The overall market up over 2% today. Bitcoin at 25,585, Ethereum at 1669, BNB at 238, XRP 47 cents, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Tron 6 cents, and Solana $14.83. And if you want any top coins today based on AI, it would be Aave, Phantom, VeChain, Cosmos Hub, and Cosmos Hub. And if you want to check out Token Metrics for free, there's a link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin sitting at critical levels, dipped outside of this multi-month uptrend, month-long downtrend, multi-month uptrend, dipped down below it. Right now, sitting on the very bottom. And this trend right here is going to be very crucial. You'll find out why coming up. Right now, though, let's keep it simple. Downtrend ongoing. Until it reverses, we are in a downtrend, forming lower lows. For the moment, it looks like we may continue headed in that direction, in that downtrend. Right now, the Bitcoin bull market is on pause until price gets back above the 200-week moving average. This line right here. Current 200-week moving average, 26,465. Current Bitcoin price, 25 and change. Stay safe, not yet back above there. As a matter of fact, when we take a look, this week traders are at their most negative sentiment since Black Thursday, March of 2020, which was the absolute bottom, the absolute worst back then. Officially the most negative since COVID crashed the markets in March of 2020. Could this too be the absolute bottom? These situations are often by the dip opportunities. Right now, Arthur Hayes, who has been consistently accurate in calling the tops and the bottoms, says just a few days ago, the wall of worry is being climbed. Come with me on the Bitcoin bull market bus. We're still on struggle street, but the moon ain't far away. We need to climb the wall of worry first. And we even see some people who have been bullish for a while, potentially reversing their position. I've been bullish on Bitcoin since this year began for many technical reasons, but it seems we have experienced a bull market fake out. The Bitcoin bear market has returned. Only hope is that this is one big bearish fake out, but that doesn't seem likely for reasons like Bitcoin crossing below the 200-week moving average, below healthy supports, loss of bullish trend, all these different things. And all of this unless Bitcoin can maintain this trend we were talking about in the very beginning. If this was just a fake out to the downside and the trend is maintained, then all things are not lost. Especially when it comes with some new big news for Bitcoin. BlackRock tries for spot Bitcoin ETF with a fresh SEC filing. They're trying to get the first spot Bitcoin ETF launched in the US. All the other ones are for Bitcoin futures. This would be the first spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, the difference between a spot Bitcoin ETF and a futures ETF can push the price down. Spot ETFs only push the price up. Now that being said, I mean, it's just BlackRock. I might agree with Crypto Bobby here, simply waiting for a larger asset manager to endorse Bitcoin to become bullish. And clearly that's tongue-in-cheek because BlackRock is the largest asset manager out there. Now, after that news released, we saw multiple large whales withdrew Bitcoin yesterday, potentially aping in off the BlackRock news. Large transfer from exchanges yesterday. Crypto.com, Binance, and Gate.io all saw whale activity yesterday. Everybody is getting on board with BlackRock. That being said, though, right now we're seeing some 2015 vibes. I mean, look at these color coordinations and what Bitcoin is doing. We have green down, light blue up, and above the down below and above this moving average. Same thing here, green down, blue up, right around that same area. Could we have a bull run like we had in 2016, 2017? Wouldn't that be monumental and life-changing? Should we have found a bottom? Should the BlackRock news turn the markets around and this was just a great buying opportunity? Well, the first targets would be roughly the 61.8 fib, which is $39,000, and then the 78.6 fib, $50,000. Somewhere in that area could be the first local top in this market. Right now, the current MFI price action is copying the one in 2016 right back here. It's forming an ascending, broadening wedge after reaching the oversold zone. At the time it breaks down will be the start of the parabolic move. You can see it breaks down below that ascending, broadening wedge, and then that's when the parabola starts. Well, we're breaking down below that. Could that start the parabola? Also here, the same price action associated with the date of the halving. It repeats the consolidation formation below resistance before the second halving. Again, similar 2015, 2016, a lot of charts suggesting we have a 2015, 2016 type scenario. It's expected to move along the channel and finally leave the channel after the halving. So that being said, these are looking pretty bullish for Bitcoin until we get to this chart. I mean, look at this. Oh gosh, going down. The bears were right. A huge head and shoulders pattern for Bitcoin. Danger of crash is imminent. Just kidding. The chart is inverted. People will soon understand why Bitcoin is incredibly bullish. We have this head and shoulders pattern right here. Could potentially have a breakout and retest and run to the hundreds of thousands of dollars for Bitcoin with some patience. Again, very critical levels to monitor. If Bitcoin breaks below there, well, we might have that reversal of the trend. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.